Hi everybody! Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a snail character. So grab a paper and something to draw with and let's get started. Okay, we're going to start right here on the middle of the paper. So let's draw a big rounded shape like this, but we're not going to stop. We're going to keep going and do a spiral in, and there's the start of our shell. Come back over here. We're going to come behind this line a little bit and go up and then back down around and up and close off there. And there we have our shell of our snail. We're going to come over on this side now and draw the head. So we're going to go up, go all the way around, and then back down. Okay, we're going to keep going around and finish the tail. So we come underneath and back to the shell, just like that. Perfect. Now, let's give our snail some eyes. We're gonna come up with a couple lines coming up from the head, and then draw a circle right here, and then a circle on this side. Let's fill in the pupils, and then give our snail some eyebrows. Now, let's give our snail a little smiley face with some teeth and a few details around. Maybe on the shell too. Like that. Perfect. Now let's give our snail maybe a few hairs coming off to the side. And there we have a snail character. Good job. How about we draw one more grumpy snail, okay? We'll see if we can fit one over here. We'll draw another shell, just like we did before, a rounded shape, and then twist. And then we'll close off the shell like that. Perfect. Now let's come over and start on the neck. Let's try to do a little bit different of a shape, a big head like that. Come down and stop just like that. Let's give our grumpy snail some grumpy eyes by coming up. And we're gonna do some straight lines like this with a rounded shape. Same on this side, but behind. And then the pupils. Now let's give our grumpy snail some grumpy grumpy eyebrows. By having the eyebrows point in like this, and then one on this side. Some hair coming off the side. And now let's do a grumpy mouth by doing a big curved line, and then a straight line like this. Some creases underneath the mouth and the chin. And now some grumpy teeth. And a tongue, just like that. Now to finish our grumpy snail, let's add a few details. Just some little circles and some lines for texture. Just wherever you think they should go. You don't have to copy me exactly. A few bumps. And there we have a grumpy snail. Yeah! You did a really good job following along with me today. I hope you'll come back soon so we can draw more characters. Bye!
If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit yayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!